Hey pros, what's up? My name is Ken Carlson. I'm the owner of Karma Carpet Cleaning. I'm here today to review Procyon Plus, my go-to pre-spray for just about everything we do at Karma Carpet Cleaning. When it comes down to why we use Procyon Plus, it's basic. There's two things that I care the most about, and that's my health and the health of my technicians and also the health of my customers. So when it comes to like picking what kind of product I'm gonna use, I'm definitely gonna use the safest thing for me and for them. I mean, duh, like basically, right? That gets tricky because then you also want to use stuff that cleans really good, right? So here you go, you want to use something that's safe and you want to use something that's effective. And what do? There's a million different green products. I'm telling you, I've tried them all. I've tried a million different things and I've yet to see anything with the same results as Procyon Plus. I mean, Procyon Plus it works just like any other heavy duty high pH cleaner out there, without the scent, without any type of residue. I'm using the Procyon Plus for basically all my residential carpet cleaning and for polyester, synthetic rugs and couches and upholstery. I use it at my house for like a lot of random stuff, like I mop with it, I wipe the counters off. I use it for a lot of stuff, so I really like it for that. I also really like the Procyon Extreme, which I like to sometimes use the Procyon Plus and then add a couple ounces of the Procyon Extreme to the batch. On heavy jobs, you could just concentrate it, add a couple extra scoops sometimes. It kills grease, it kills organic stains, no worries. Go and try this Procyon Plus, you will not be disappointed. This stuff will save you time and money, and most of all, you have to breathe this stuff all day, right? You have to breathe these chemicals all day. So why not breathe something that's a healthy green cleaner so you're not hurting your body? So anywho, try it out. Thanks so much, bye.